Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Holden Captiva, stock number 5939. This ran from 01-2011 to 06-2018. It is a Z22D1 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a Z22D1 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine. The front headlight. The front guard, no dents. Front bonnet, no dents. Left front 19-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left front door. Left rear door, one small dent. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front guard, no dents. Right front headlight. Right front 19-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, 2 dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory stereo. Sat nav display unit. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Factory 4-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.